Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall look at how to solve examples using laws of exponents. So let us see if we can simplify this particular example. We want to simplify negative a to the power of 3 times b times a to the power of 6 times b to the power of 2. Okay, so the way we want to solve these types of problems is by applying the laws which we talked about. So as a first step, we're going to write all the like terms together. The way we want to write it out is as follows. So negative a to the power of 3 times a to the power of 6. Those are like terms with the same base. And then we have times b means b to the power of 1 times b to the power of 2. So now we can see that we can use one of the rules of exponents, and that rule is if we have an exponent x to the power of m times if we have another exponent x to the power of n, as long as the bases are the same, we can write the base ones and then add the powers or combine the powers like that. So therefore, we're going to apply this rule to this particular example. Since we wrote the like terms together with the same base, we're going to now use this rule to be able to simplify them. In a cubed times a to the power of 6, the common base is a. Since we have a negative sign, we'll put the negative sign outside, and then we'll combine the powers. The powers are 3 plus 6. And in the second part, the bases are the same. B to the power of 1, B to the power of 2, the common base is B. So we combine the powers, 1 plus 2. And then in step number 4, we're going to simplify it some more and then write it out as follows. Negative a to the power of 3 plus 6 is 9, and then b to the power of 1 plus 2 is 3. So therefore, this is our answer. We have used the laws of exponents to simplify this particular problem. Let's take another example. Let's say this time we want to simplify negative 5a to the power of 3. We'll put this in parentheses, open parentheses, 4a to the power of 5. Okay, so this is what we have. So now the solution part we will write down in these different steps. We will write the number parts together. We will write the similar numbers, the similar base terms together. So we have negative 5 times 4, those are the number terms, and then we have a to the power of 3 times a to the power of 5. The reason why we wrote it out this way is because we're going to multiply the number parts, then we're going to look for a common base terms, and then we can use one of the rules of exponents. So therefore, as step 2, we're going to come in here and then say negative 5 times 4. Negative times positive is a negative. 5 times 4 is 20. So we simplified this part of the equation. Then we have the second part of the equation to look for. In here, we can say that we are going to use the power rule when we have x to the power of m times x to the power of n. We said as long as the bases are the same, we're going to write the base ones, and then we're going to combine the powers like that. So therefore, in here, a to the power of 3 and a to the power of 5, a is the common base, and then the terms we have in the power terms are 3 and 5. So therefore, in step number 3, we're going to put all of these together. Negative 20, nothing is happening there. We just write down that same number. And then this time, a to the power of 3 plus 5 is 8. And therefore, this is where we want to leave it. This is the way we want to simplify these exponents these types of problems using the laws of exponents. In my next presentation, we shall look at some more examples using the laws of exponents.